Imagine the year 2075 where AI dominates real estate and owning a home is only for the rich. Machines analyze properties in seconds, placing offers before humans even notice. Prices skyrocket, families are left behind, and the gap grows wider. In this video, we reveal how AI is reshaping housing and how you can fight back before it is too late. 1. AI takes over real estate. The year 2075 will mark a turning point in real estate as artificial intelligence dominates. Owning a home will no longer be a common achievement, but a rare luxury reserved for elites. Machines will analyze property values faster than humans can think, creating instant action. The gap between what people want and what they can afford will grow impossibly wide. Ordinary families will watch prices rise beyond reach with every automated calculation. Artificial intelligence will not only guide the market but also execute every transaction. By 2075, homes will be captured by data-driven systems long before buyers place an offer. The market will no longer wait for human decisions, it will respond only to algorithms. Dreams of passing property to children will fade into myths told to future generations. A new reality will emerge where the concept of ownership is restricted to the very rich. 2. Machines beat human buyers. Artificial intelligence already evaluates properties in seconds using massive amounts of data. By 2075, no human buyer will ever match the speed, precision, or consistency of these tools. Software will calculate location value, income potential, and resale risk instantly and clearly. Automated bids will be placed in microseconds while humans are still preparing documents. Corporations will secure properties quickly before an individual buyer even sees the listing. Every second will matter, and the fastest algorithms will dominate the entire marketplace. The future of buying homes will look like a silent digital war fought only by smart systems. Ordinary buyers will feel helpless as they realize their speed cannot rival machine logic. Human emotion, hesitation, and financial delays will never compete with machine precision. What is starting as an experiment today will become a complete market takeover tomorrow. 3. Wealth gap explosion. By 2075, the distance between rich property owners and ordinary renters will grow enormous. Artificial intelligence will help the wealthy secure multiple assets faster than ever before. Ordinary families will find themselves trapped in a rental cycle with no exit in sight. The wealthiest 10% will control nearly all prime real estate in major cities. Rent payments will funnel upward, leaving ordinary people with less chance to save money. Children of renters will inherit debt and struggle while elites pass property through heirs. This will not be a simple financial difference, but a new form of economic class division. Housing will no longer be seen as a human right, but a privilege sold to the highest bidder. The dreams of equal opportunity will crumble as access narrows to the wealthiest alone. This will create a divided society where ownership defines identity and personal freedom. 4. AI-powered market research. Artificial intelligence will not only buy homes, it will predict exactly which to acquire. Systems will scan millions of data points to forecast where prices will rise most sharply. Wealthy investors will rely on these forecasts to get ahead of ordinary human intuition. Neighborhoods will be captured by smart tools long before families even notice trends. This means regular buyers will always arrive late, missing out on the best opportunities. Investors will grow stronger as their strategies are built on machine-generated accuracy. The human role in predicting housing demand will become entirely irrelevant by 2075. Ordinary buyers will continue to guess while algorithms provide certainty to the rich. This certainty will transform property into a predictable machine-like profit stream. By the time families save enough, the best markets will already be fully consumed by AI. 5. Rental nation future. In 2075, most citizens will live in rented homes owned by machine-guided corporations. The dream of owning a personal home will become nearly impossible for the majority. Families will pass through generations without a single property of their own to hold. Leases will replace deeds as the primary document for living spaces in the new world. Corporate landlords will control terms, adjusting rent instantly based on algorithmic demand. Individuals will face constant pressure as rents rise faster than wages ever can. Communities will lose stability as renters shift from one location to another frequently. The sense of belonging and permanence tied to home ownership will completely disappear. This will redefine how people view security as renting becomes the permanent condition. A society of tenants will emerge with ownership locked away behind elite walls forever. 6. Automation arms race real estate in 2075 will be controlled not by individuals but by competing AI systems. Corporations will battle each other using faster, smarter algorithms to win new properties. This will resemble a constant digital arms race with no room for slower participants. Human investors will be entirely pushed out as they cannot keep up with machine velocity. Each company will invest heavily in creating the smartest bidding software possible. The market will shift at lightning speed, creating volatility unseen in earlier centuries. Homes will trade hands among machines while humans simply watch from the sidelines. The stronger the algorithm, the greater the monopoly of property that company will hold. Ordinary citizens will become bystanders in a war fought only by artificial intelligence. This new battleground will shape housing availability for the rest of the population. 7. Disappearing human negotiation. By 2075, human negotiation in real estate will be erased entirely from the process. Artificial intelligence will remove the slow and emotional nature of human decision-making. Offers will be made in code exchanged in milliseconds without face-to-face discussions. Realtors and brokers will be unnecessary as systems handle the entire communication. The art of bargaining over price or terms will vanish under machine-controlled processes. Families will lose their voice in determining the details of the homes they live in. The personal touch once tied to buying and selling homes will no longer exist at all. Instead, algorithms will match buyers with sellers, but only those with elite capital. This cold efficiency will alienate ordinary people from the entire housing experience. What was once an emotional milestone will become a sterile machine-driven transaction. 8. Families left behind. Ordinary families in 2075 will struggle endlessly against forces far outside their control. Even with decades of saving, their earnings will never match the pace of rising prices. Children will grow up with little hope of stability as housing becomes permanently unstable. The comfort of planning a future in a home will be replaced by uncertainty and doubt. Many families will be forced into shared living or cramped conditions due to high rent. Emotional stress will rise as homes stop being sanctuaries and become financial prisons. The division between wealthy and poor families will show most clearly in housing gaps. Social unrest will rise as the frustration of being locked out of ownership builds daily. This generational disadvantage will continue to deepen without any chance of reversal. Entire communities will collapse under the pressure of permanent rental dependence. 9. Opportunity with AI tools. Despite this dark outlook, some opportunities will still remain for ordinary individuals. Smart buyers can learn to use AI systems themselves before markets become completely shut. By adopting technology early, families may secure smaller properties before elites dominate. Artificial intelligence can help identify hidden areas overlooked by large corporations. This requires knowledge, courage, and quick action to compete against massive systems. Those who act early may find footholds in the property market that others cannot reach. Education about using these tools will be the only way to bridge the growing divide. The tools are available now, but few ordinary buyers realize their long-term importance. By preparing today, future buyers may still escape total dependence on corporate landlords. This will not eliminate the problem, but provide limited chances for forward-thinking people. 10. Passive income channels. As owning homes becomes harder, ordinary people may turn to digital income strategies. Artificial intelligence can help create faceless content channels that generate revenue. Platforms like YouTube allow buyers to fund opportunities outside normal income streams. This secondary income can provide the capital needed to compete for smaller properties. Digital automation allows individuals to work smarter without massive financial risk. The wealthy will still dominate, but creative thinkers can carve out small opportunities. AI tools such as video generators, scripts, and editing programs make content creation easy. Those who adapt quickly can build stable incomes without relying only on traditional jobs. Over time, this can provide resources that help ordinary people participate in the market. Want to start your own faceless YouTube channel for passive income? Check this out. https matpar.com tube mastery DSS-F. Wet Minot 11. Evidence of change. Proof of these shifts can already be seen in today's market in small but clear signals. AI tools are being tested in property valuation, property management, and fast bidding. Corporate investors are adopting these systems to secure properties before individuals. News outlets already report rising numbers of homes bought by machine-guided platforms. Ordinary buyers struggle even today to compete against faster institutional players. This trend will not slow down. It will only expand until it dominates completely by 2075. Simulated dashboards and data reveal how these systems operate with cold precision. Income reports already show corporations gaining millions by automation in real estate. The signs of tomorrow are visible today for those who pay close attention to the market. Ignoring these signals will leave ordinary people trapped when the system is complete. 12. Untapped niches. Artificial intelligence will also create surprising opportunities in hidden property niches. Some digital landlords may find wealth in overlooked or smaller real estate categories. These niches may not interest large corporations, but they can sustain individual buyers. For example, rural properties or tiny homes may stay under the radar of major investors. Creative use of technology will allow ordinary people to monetize these smaller options. AI will highlight these spaces, but only quick and adaptive individuals will benefit. Without courage and strategy, these niches will quickly disappear under corporate control. The window to exploit such areas will remain narrow and demand fast, decisive action. Those who delay will lose opportunities forever as automation sweeps across all markets. Hidden niches can provide hope, but only for a small fraction of determined individuals. 13. Generational divide. The impact of AI on real estate will deepen divides across different generations of people. Older generations who owned homes early will pass down wealth and stability to children. Younger generations born into a rental-dominated society will inherit only uncertainty. This will create tension between those who benefit from early ownership and those who do not. Social frustration will rise as young people see no path toward the same opportunities. Protest movements and political struggles will intensify against this new reality. Property will become more than wealth. It will symbolize fairness or unfairness in society. This divide will not only be financial but emotional and deeply cultural across nations. Every generation will define itself by whether they inherited property or permanent rent. By 2075, this difference will shape identity more strongly than careers or education ever did. 14. Retiring without homes. In the future, retirement will look drastically different for those without owned property. Elderly citizens will pay rent until the final days of their lives without financial relief. Savings will be drained faster by ever-increasing rents adjusted by automated systems. Instead of living freely in retirement, many will continue working just to survive. This will transform retirement from a time of rest to a continued struggle for stability. Those with property will live comfortably while others face endless financial stress. The gap in quality of life for older generations will be wider than at any other time. Artificial intelligence will calculate rents without sympathy for human circumstances. Governments may fail to provide enough support as housing costs spiral permanently higher. This will leave millions of retirees trapped in poverty created by machine-controlled rent. 15. A call to action. The world of 2075 will not be decided only by machines, but also by the choices of people. Adopting artificial intelligence tools today can create opportunities for ordinary citizens. Education awareness and quick adaptation will be essential to survive in future markets. Communities must learn to share knowledge and collaborate instead of facing isolation. Governments must step in with policies to prevent total monopolization of property. Without action, the wealth gap will continue to widen until ownership is lost forever. Families must treat technology as a tool for survival, not simply a passing invention. The time to prepare is now before 2075 arrives with changes too great to stop. Those who act today may still carve a place for themselves in the future of real estate. The future is frightening, but with strategy, courage, and adaptation, it can still be faced. Get started today with proven strategies here. HTS www.digistore24.com Redire 325707 Wetmanot, me. By 2075, most people may be trapped in renting while AI hands ownership to the wealthy few. But with the right tools, you can still build income and fight back before it is too late. Take action now, learn the strategies, and prepare for the future. Subscribe if you want the real truth about the market and tools to fight back. Like if this opened your eyes. Comment if you're ready to play offense in the new AI economy.